Hi everybody, this is Robert at Scott Leroy Marketing. Today we're going to show you a workaround to fix something that we've been seeing in a lot of Gmail accounts. It's happened mostly in KW emails that we've seen, but it has also been affecting regular Gmail accounts as well, ones that are at gmail.com rather than at kw.com. What happens is you or we have properly uploaded your signature image to your Gmail account in the signature section, and it looks fine when you compose a message. It's showing properly here, or what might happen is the issue that we're seeing is it may show a broken image icon instead of your image signature right here. It also is especially showing on the recipient's end, it's showing the broken image icon instead. So if you're experiencing that either when composing a message or on your recipient's end, if they're sending it back and it's saying, hey, I'm not seeing any signature there, that's because Gmail, Google is having an issue. We're not sure how they're working on that, how long that might take. So we've got a workaround here to show you using eEdge. We're going to recommend, we're in Mozilla Firefox here. That's the browser we like to use when we're working on signatures, just because it gives you finer control when you're resizing the image. So if you're not using Firefox, that's fine. It'll work pretty well in any other browser, but Firefox gives you more control over resizing the image. I'll show you that when we get there. So our first step is going to be to get logged into our Gmail account, of course, the one that we're having the issue with the signature image on. And in the top right, we'll click on our settings gear and go down to settings. It's a little past halfway down in this menu here. And we'll scroll down near the bottom here to our signature section. It may or may not be showing the proper image signature here. For us it is. For you it might be showing that broken image icon there. We're just going to click on this and remove it. We're just going to start from scratch. And then we'll click on Insert Image up at the top here in our editing bar. This will open up the Add an Image box here, and by default it's going to be on My Drive. We're going to switch over to Web Address URL to this other tab here. Now if you're signed into multiple Gmail accounts, this is the only option that you're going to have. If you're signed into more than one Gmail, it'll only show you Web Address URL. We get a lot of confusion about that. But in this case, this is actually exactly what we want. So we do want to be on this tab. So if you're signed into multiple Gmails, that's fine. If you're signed into just one, switch to this tab. Once we're here, we're going to get the URL that we're going to paste into this box through eEdge. So we're going to go to our mykw.kw.com homepage, your KW intranet. So we want to end up on this page, mykw.kw.com. Once we're on our MyKW homepage, inside our eEdge control panel here, we're going to go under My Marketing and click our plus sign over on the right to do this drop-down menu. In this drop-down menu, we'll click the third one down, which is File Manager. We want to go to the File Manager page inside eEdge. Once that page loads, over on the left here, we've got our blue button that says Upload Image. That's what we're going to click on. And then we're going to click on Select Files here in the center. Once we're here, we're going to make sure that we have already downloaded our image signature file, whether we re-downloaded it from Google Slides where we created our signature or where we had sent it over to you. If you need help finding this file and a way to download it, we can help you with that. Just send us an email at support@scottleroymarketing.com. But once you've got that file downloaded and it's on your computer, we're just going to click on that file and then click Open. And then we're going to click Upload down here at the bottom. Once it says Upload Complete, we'll click Close. And in our list of files here, we'll click on Upload Date to sort it by oldest first, and then we'll click it again to sort it by newest first. So this is going to show me my most recently uploaded image, which is the image that I just did, the signature. Now we'll click on the name of this signature, and it's going to show us a preview of this image. Once we're here, we're going to right click on it and get Copy Image Location. On Chrome, it's going to say Copy Image Address. On Edge, it might say something a little different. It might be Location Address, URL, something like that. But we don't want to copy the image. We don't want to view the image. We don't want to save as. We want to copy the location or the address or the URL or whatever it shows here. So we'll copy that. And we'll switch back over to our Gmail Settings tab here where we're adding the signature. And we'll paste that into this box here. So now it's going to show us a preview of that image that's in eEdge. Once we've got that preview, we'll do Select down here at the bottom. And now we've got that image here inside our signature. So now if your signature is not the size that you want, if it's too big or too small, if you're using Firefox, you can actually drag here at the corners to resize it exactly as big as you want it. If you're not using Firefox, you can only choose small, medium, large, or original size. So you've only got those options if you're not using Firefox. That's why we like to use Firefox when we're working with signatures specifically. Most other things we like Chrome, but Firefox is good for signatures. Once you've got that in there in the size that you want it, you'll scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. And then you should be able to compose a message, see your signature in there properly. I'm going to send this to ourselves. Do send. It should be here in just a second. There we go. And when this opens up on the recipient's end, whether it's you or somebody else, it should show that correct image signature there. So that's how you can use the image URL to change your image signature and fix that issue that Google is having with many KW emails and other Gmails. If you have questions about that, feel free to shoot us an email at support@scottleroymarketing.com.